There's nothing better than working on a project that you know actually has an impact to the world. And with 27.3 million veterans in the United States and they're all being cared for by our caregivers, it really actually makes me feel that I'm doing something that, first of all, I do enjoy, but I also have an impact.
I primarily worked with Salesforce within the VA ecosystem. And when we first started, it was just the wild, wild west, right? Everybody was doing whatever they wanted. And it quickly became apparent that it's not scalable. And then eventually Copado came along and it seemed like it was the right fit for the right problem at the right time.
We had very smart, technical, intelligent people on the team, but whenever something went wrong, they would fix it themselves. We ended up implementing Copado across all the VA projects. We give all the tools that they need from the very beginning with all the quality checks, rather than having a homegrown solution and fixing everything at the very end. Time savings, I would say we cut our deployments down by half, and we have not missed one deployment since we implemented Copado.
The VA program needed someone to help organize the dozens and dozens of developers, and we were just kind of scrambling to get stuff in. Getting everybody organized and get everything merged in, and having developers that work for different companies and were working on different projects all in the same Salesforce org, merging all of that work together was just getting way too time consuming. Cycles for getting things in were in, the 6 to 8 week time frame. It's just not productive. And as more of the individuals in each team adopted using Copado themselves, we could reduce the development cycle.
We're doing a lot of work in our state and local governments. We had a client who was interested in doing DevOps better. They were embarking on a massive digital transformation using Salesforce. And up until this moment, they didn't have anything really when it came to their DevOps stack. I think some of the initial pain points is just the basic developer lifecycle, right? Being able to pull stories in, being able to bring them locally onto their VS Code, developing against them, deploying them. Using version control with Copado is a lot easier because I know just exactly when and what gets deployed, when it gets deployed into a source branch. Having lived through all of that over and over and over again, I probably wouldn't have recommended anything but Copado at that point.
That commitment towards the security approvals and certifications that you need to get in the federal space really shows Copado's dedication to being a big player and contributing to the DevOps space in Salesforce and the federal sector.